Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, training by heart rate. Your zones need to be right. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually set the heart rate zones in Garmin Connect app in 2026 using your devices and basically your phone whatsoever, iOS or even Android, it doesn't really matter. So let's get started, fast and easy as usual. Well, you're gonna ask me, where do I actually find it? So all we're gonna do is open the device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to open the Garmin Connect app. So it's time now to actually log in using your email address and password so we can access this dashboard and tap on more or basically this three-dot menu. Now go all the way to settings or performance stats depending on your app version. You will be able to see multiple options. As you see user settings, go all the way and check this user settings. We have the gender, birthday, age, height, weight, activity class, bedtime and wake up time, then the measurement units. So basically you will be able to see multiple options here, build number, privacy, Garmin Connect, device sync audit, all of these details that you can use. Now go and look for the heart rate zones. So basically when you have a device connected, you will be able to see these health stats. All you're gonna do is look for your known maximum. It's basically max HR or LTHR. It's basically the lactate threshold heart rate if you know it. Then use the max or the HRR. Choose your zone calculation method depending on your choice. Garmin has separate zones for running and cycling, so set both if you do both sports. You also have a choice between manual and auto. You can manually enter each zone percentage or let Garmin calculate from your max. Then tap save and sync your watch. Your zones now match your basically psychology, not a generic guess. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.